Hello everyone, I am Walt. Here we are with our 14th principle, I believe, in this series, 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis. This is a life hack series, and today's principle is another good one, and I think it's a little bit controversial, so I'll kind of talk through this one. Anyway, this one is to challenge yourself, and the person says, I dare you. Okay, first off, responding to a dare is like the dumbest thing ever. Of course, except in that Simpsons episode in season 30 where Homer tells Bart that, not taking a dare is the worst thing that any guy can do. It's pretty hilarious. It's a great episode also. Getting at the whole Saved by Angel series and Christian movie direction. Anyway, it's a fantastic Simpsons episode, and I normally don't jump to The Simpsons over compared to some of my other favorite adult cartoons, but that one was a really good one. Okay, anyway, despite my point there, I was going to say that this is a very interesting topic when it comes to challenging yourself, because some people over-challenge themselves and most people under-challenge themselves. And you really have to realize kind of where you are in your level of motivation and balance, okay? Some people work themselves too much, okay? Or they're, doing things that kind of maintain their working too much. And this doesn't mean necessarily their job. It could be a side project. It can be really anything. People just working around the clock, or working the 15-hour day or the 16-hour day, or, working even 12 hours a day can be exhausting if you keep doing that all the time. And some people just will do this, and they're so afraid of being lazy, or they're just feel super motivated even, there's the whole statistics about how much Fortune 500 people, sleep when the CEO, and a lot of those people don't get enough sleep, and one of the reasons is because they are really motivated and passionate about what they're doing. And so that's great if that's, you, but some people over-challenge themselves, and sometimes it's good to just get back a little bit away from over-challenging yourself. But a lot of people also don't really know what they want, and so they don't really challenge themselves enough. So if you're somebody who doesn't really have enough motivation, definitely give it a shot, challenge yourself. But if you're somebody with a lot of motivation, then this isn't always a good idea, because you're probably already pushing your limits. So if you push them too far, it gets to be a little ridiculous. It gets to be pretty difficult, but pretty debatable in my opinion whether you guys want to use this one or not. I'm somebody who just feels really motivated a lot. I very rarely ever take time off. I'm working on the weekends almost all the time. I have a lot of motivation to do things almost all the time. So one of the things I have to do is learn to not always challenge myself and to take it easy sometimes, so to get the amount of sleep I need instead of just doing the 5-hour nights that I tend to do because I'm so motivated to do things, and just stay up late at night and get up early in the morning. So whatever. Maybe that's just me. Yeah, but I would say it's find the right balance of challenging yourself. If you're not challenging yourself, give it a shot. If you're already over-challenging yourself, don't push it any further. But yeah, anyway, I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with our next video, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.